Hey guys, welcome back to Izzy's World. So today I'm going to be making purple glittery slime. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, the first thing you need to make the purple glittery slime is washable purple glue. I chose to use this because it's a lot easier instead of having to put in food coloring. So I got the 2-in-1. Yay! I put in about half a bottle of glue. So the second ingredient is shaving cream. I'm only adding a little bit so it doesn't get too fluffy. Now we'll just mix the first two ingredients together, just like that. After it's all incorporated, add in some activator. Add a little at a time to make sure you don't put in too much so it doesn't get over-activated. Now it's time to pick up your slime and mix it with your hands. It might be a little sticky at first, but don't worry, after a little while it will get together. Now it's time for ASMR. Guess what time it is? It's time to add in the glitter. At this stage, you can add whatever colors of glitter you like. But for this, I'm adding blue, gold, green, purple, and red. And don't worry about how much glitter you use because you can never have too much glitter in your slime. I will also add a list of the ingredients in the description below. Now you can just have fun with your slime and play with it whenever you would like. Hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be notified whenever I post new videos. Bye!